I'm all ready for jollies.
Especially the thongs. Oh wait, you're not wearing any. A cheap L67 at the Wreckers. A Statesman. Do we like Statesmans? No. Do we like Boost? Yes.
No.
Oh.
NA the world.
NA the world.
NA Barra the world.
Barra or nothing.
NA Barra or nothing.
Alright, then we won't bother. We'll just go buy a Barra. Make more power. That's terrible, isn't it? L67 supercharged V6.
What, 172 kilowatts?
Or a Barra with like at least 190.
190
At
factory.
least 190. Unless it's a gassy.
100, yeah, I think like 172 or something, isn't it? They're not very
it's probably
exciting.
still more. The slowest Barra is better than the L67. That's shocking.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just Team Red versus Team Blue, hey?
Nah, I think it's just an oversight. An oversight. I mean, some people do put pulleys on them and stuff, but they just start making hot air. It's like, may as well just be driving a VZ.
Or a hot air balloon.
Because when you talk and it just sounds like hot air. Yeah, it's an awesome car that makes all the power in the world at 6,000 RPM. But it's an awesome car.
It's a dyno queen.
Oh, fuck it.
We got sequins.
What have we got coming up here on the left-hand side?
Is that a LS1? What is Falcon.
That's a Ford Victoria.
Is it a Falcon?
That's a Ford Victoria.
Oh my
That's an old Vicky.
And we'd also like to lobby against this camera here. That would be great if we can remove that.
Or remove all cameras.
I've got to get rid of that. If anyone wants a twin turbocharged XG manual, hit us up in the compliments.
Compliments.
Compliments only.
We'll pull it out and upgrade a Statesman because it'll make more horsepower.
Yeah, they're older.
In tech.
No, it's before you. I don't know what socks, I suppose. They're just socks.
Oh, really? But
Single overhead cam.
Oh.
Yeah, head gasket's your weak point.
Can I at least get a tie to go with my sock? Mr. Simpson, have you had lunch already? Do you like tie? Tie's good. Do you like shirt?
That's all we worry about here at Grip. Where's my water bottle?
I don't know.
Oh, I filled it up and then didn't bring it.
Oh,
what a legend. There's a great place down here if you need plastic Chinese knockoff stuffs.
You can have some of my
East Coast Boost.
I'm on the hard stuff.
Oh, I've got a free drink card at Jolly's.
Not what the hell?
That's how I got one. I'm on their website. I took a photo and then I got a free drink card.
Is it say do not serve this guy? Is that the free drink card? Need a website? $500. 7 days. Got questions? Ask Google. Payorpissoff.com.
Well, that sounds like a plan.
Pay or piss off.
We're in the trucking capital of the world.
How did you get a free drink card if we get it on the website?
Photo. Yeah.
I thought they were going to take your photo and put you on the wall. Do not serve. Yeah. Who's that?
Who's that? Hater's gonna hate, you know what I mean?
You know that big, tall, hairy guy that looks like Jesus Christ? Oh, yeah, he's over there.
He's in every second day. It's 80 through here and we're doing 73. And here's my most favourite place on earth and where I'd like to be buried.
This side. This guy.
Come on down to Jolly's and meet someone to town. Friendly faces everywhere. Humble folks without temptation. Come on down to Jolly's. Haters gonna hate.
Jolly's enforces a strict no smoking policy throughout all of their self-serve yards. So for the safety and well-being of all on site, please, no smoking whilst on the grounds.
We're pulling out of Ecotech. Do you have any ecos, babe?
You got plenty of ecos, man, but you gotta let you know they're not as good as the barrels.
It's not for me.
That's what we were saying. We reckon a gas barra has more power than an eco.
A supercharged Ecotech.
We're gonna get the engine.
Oh, I'll get the engine ready, but yeah, I'll grab a thing.
Come back in the next one.
Yeah, over there.
I thought you were actually here.
I'm actually here right now. Oh, it's a bit. What is that? Yeah, there's a high 8. There's another high 8, and there's another high 8 down there. There's 3. Oh, look, VZ's tomorrow. They're the cars that come tomorrow. Always helping people. It's Dave.
1447.
Yeah, what number you got?
1447. So it's just down here and up to the right.
Yeah, it's just,
Next one. Oh,
No,
this
keep
one.
going.
This
So
one.
this is 141. This is 142. Then it'll be 143 and then 144.
This is where cars go when they're too tired to keep driving. Some of them still have life in them.
Where is it?
It's just down here where that white one is, where that FG is. Here somewhere. Oh, is someone ripping it out? I think it's... No, fuck. Oh no, Eco. It's down here. Here it is. It's down here. Oh. Did you guys rip the supercharger? The supercharger's gone. Fuck, that was quick. Are we still on the engine?
Sure, they'll do a deal without it.
Damn. Fuck, it was still there before. Ali! What are you pulling out? Alloy Tech. Hello.
Alright.
How are you? It doesn't fit. Sorry, Ali. Can I squish the trolley through?
Thank you. Hey, camera.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Oh, no fighting! It says no fighting!
Oh, you'll get kicked out.
No lifting the cars. Wow, it's got some tread on it.
The writing is here in the showroom.
Will that fit my Falcon?
Yeah.
Will it fit the Falcon?
No, come on.
What about this old girl?
It is jackpot.
Best off going out there.
Yeah, I might do that.
We just came in that way.
Alrighty.
I might move down further.
How long does it take to pull an Eco out? There you go. That's a good shot, isn't it?
Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Thanks, guys.
It's alright, on it off, hey? Oh, the seats are fucked, aren't they? What's it? 13? What are the
Yeah, 13 in there.
Alright, time. What's the time? What's the time? Alright, we have 140. 140. Let's see how long it takes to get an Eco out.
Is it coming out?
I'll just bring the car with me.
I think it's coming out. Give it a jiggle. Make sure it's
Jiggle, jiggle.
no, it's not caught on the transmission or some shit.
Then you drop it down to get it started.
Yeah, drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. Oh, I put this bolt back in so it wouldn't fall out.
Oh.
I know, some guy. It was me.
It was a prank.
Prank. It was a prank. Oh, hey man. Is that a barra? Oh, I better pull the wiring for the car too. Hang on, we don't want to rip that out.
Oh, we got something connected.
Yeah?
Oh no, that's disconnected.
Action cam.
Flange cam.
Flange. Oh, I probably should grab that throttle cable in case it's different. But anyway, that's an engine. Sweet.
Get out of here. Haters, get out of here.
Shite. I think you just got more than what you bargained for. Cool. We'll grab a few more bits and get out of here. Down at the Wreckers, getting a bargain. How was your expedition today? How do you rate it?
I think efficient is
Efficient.
if one word. If you're asking how I'd rate it, one word, efficient.
and what do you reckon about the boat anchor?
So we have a tail shaft.
Oh yeah, we do. A traction
We got an
device.
LS. We got a car.
We've actually always had an LS, we just don't talk about that.
No, we don't talk about that. No listening. We have a L67 without supercharger. Whoever bought the supercharger, well, it'd be great to drop it off.
Yeah, can
let
you
us
just
know.
get in contact with us and drop it off
Yeah, it's
so we
missing.
can have it back?
Um,
It's missing a blower.
yeah, we have race belts
Oh, nice.
off an RS Magan.
RS, does that mean rat
Race
shit?
belts. We have fuel lines with no fuel injectors.
That sucks.
So
I'm not sure. Does the value go up or down with that?
we have an ECU for all the haters out there.
Thanks a bunch. Peace.
Haters.
Haters gonna hate. There's an engine. So, next step. That's the 45-minute challenge if anyone wants to do it. Pretty easy. We got a hoist. Don't you think so? Thumbs up. That's it. 45-minute challenge. There's an engine. So, next step, we're going to put this other engine in, or maybe do a few more preps and whatnot. We've got a new thermostat for it. We need to put the right injectors, the blower, the belts, the drive accessories, and bolt it to that transmission. Didn't have to do it like this, but it's nice and easy. Plus, we can compare everything out and get it all done. Same. Let's go. L67. How hard is it?